Okay, I usually do this in school, and we practice using these cards every single day. And we usually in kindergarten learn one letter at a time, so that's okay if you don't know this perfectly. But I'd like you to follow this cursor with me. We're going to say the name of the letter, the name of the object, and then we go back and say the sound of the letter. And I point to my ear when I say sound because that is what this letter says. So if I look at this, I don't just say A when I see it in a book. I say A. Okay? We're going to go through and do all of these letters with the correct letter sounds. And for this purpose, we will use the vowels as short sounds. So A, I, those are our vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Let's go through our routine. And if you have any questions, you can send me a message in Remind or in a chat, or you may contact me via email. Let's begin. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, Ed, F. His name is Ed. F, fun. G, game, G. The letter G says G. H, hat. I, itch. I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, N, nut, N. And our tongue goes to the roof of our mouth to make that sound. N. Very good. My son Ian is helping us. O, octopus, A. Your mouth opens. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. Now we can say Qu or Ku. R, rat, R. S, snake. And down here there are some bugs. Because sometimes when we say the S it says Z. T, top. T. U, up. V, van, V. W, wind, W or woo. X, fox, X. So that's the end of the sound. Fox. Ox, last sound. Y, yellow, Y or Y. Z, zebra, Z. I want you to practice this 3 times. How many times? 3 times. And I want you to be able to say the sound of each letter. And get back to me if you need any help.